Top down in the summertime. We ain't got no place to be, we just gon' ride. One hand on the wheel, other hand on your thigh. Low, 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 low when she look in my eyes.
Hey y'all, it is January 31st. One more day till we move in. I said I wanted to do a countdown, but it just didn't happen like that. Why did I just realize that so we move in tomorrow, but I forgot we're not moving our stuff out of the storage until Thursday. So I'm finna be sleeping on the floor. But it's okay, because I'm gonna be sleeping on the floor in my apartment. But yeah, I went to go like buy some new sheets and all of that, thinking I'm finna make my bed up and wrong. But it's okay. Thursday, it'll be in there. Friday, I don't think I recorded since I got the email, but I do have a follow-up interview on Friday for the psychometrist job. I was telling my mom, I was like, I don't really have any more answers to any more questions. I'm a one interview type of person. It's like, usually when you get a second interview, you got the job. That is Friday, 12:30 to 2, I think. I don't really know why it would be that long, but the email kind of said that I'd be meeting the rest of the team, so I guess I got the job. But yes, everybody pray that I make $350 tonight at work. Every day. Every day. My goal has not been met at all for any number that I say. I'll be like, Raya, pray that I make $200 tonight. She's like, okay. And I don't make it, but then the next day I'd be like, pray that I make $300 tonight. But it's okay, because it's gonna come. I'm gonna make $500 tonight, actually. Play with somebody else, not me. Yes, tomorrow's the day. Let me cut to the chase, because I don't want to keep like just having y'all hear me talking, because I just be rambling. But before I left the hotel, I was like getting all my stuff together, because I still stayed in bed for a long time. Like going to work at 4 o'clock is like so different for me. I've never done that. I've only worked jobs like 8 to 4, 8 to 4:30, 9 to 5 type jobs. So going to work at 4 o'clock, I don't know, I just be feeling drained, and I pretty much stay in the bed up until it's time for me to go to work. And that's also been kind of different for me, because like I haven't been eating as much as I should. Like I'm not starving myself or anything. Like I'll eat, but I probably just eat one time a day. Don't you get over here! These folks don't drive well. Yeah, I know that though, because I keep saying it. Okay, let me wrap it up. Yeah, so I sleep pretty much up until, like, I know it's not an overnight job, and like it may seem dramatic to other people, like, girl, you get off at 11. But I've never worked like evening into the night, so this is different for me. So I just be tired, and I be in the bed, and then I wake up, I get ready for the day, and I go to work. So yeah. So before I got up just a little bit earlier than I have been normally getting up, and I was getting my stuff together, because I'm gonna get off tonight, and I know I'm not gonna feel like doing a whole bunch of stuff, but that's why I did like the bulk of at least organizing my stuff and putting it together, so I can just go get the little dolly thing and then put everything in my car. I'm gonna put most of the stuff in the car tonight after I get off work, and then in the morning checkout is at 11. So probably like my toiletries and all that, everything that I'll have to use in the morning, that'll just go in the car when I check out. So yeah, it's just a little update, y'all. This is the last night in the hotel after party. I had both of my hands on the wheel, y'all didn't. It's okay. Safe driver. Okay, talk to y'all later. Today is the day. It is February 1st. Bye-bye to the hotel after party. Poo-poo has sprouted a new leaf. We are at 7, and that one right there in the middle will be 8. So we're going to a home now, and hopefully she can flourish. I'll put in a picture when I first got my pilia, so y'all can see how many leaves there were. Like, we didn't went from death and came back. So don't mind all the stuff. My car is the current storage situation. But yeah, I was really trying to wait. Look at this, y'all. 4 out of 5. That's failing. That's failure. Okay? A 40 out of 50. I mean, no, because this would be a 10 out of 50. Which would be a 20 out of 100. Which is failing. It's failing. But I broke another nail at work, and then I broke a nail last night putting stuff in the car. So I was really trying to wait on the nail tech who did my nails the first time when I came here, but she is transitioning to a new suite, and I can't wait that long because I have one nail on one hand, and at this point it's above me. So I'm just gonna like get some gel polish, and when she gets into her tea, I told her let me know as soon as you get in there because I am coming. So that's what I'm trying to do, get my nails done right now. I checked out of the hotel about 10, and I was trying to go to this nail shop that Ryan went to, but they're closed on Tuesday. So I'm just trying to find one. And I really just looked across this thing and thought I saw one. I didn't drive over here for no reason. Okay. Well, I guess I need to put my seatbelt on because I'm finna have to drive for real. I guess I just made up something in my mind because I thought I saw a nail shop over here. Oh, it is. It's tucked off in the cut. It look like they closed. They are. Is that I'm gonna be mad if that's a thing in Georgia. Nail shops closed on Tuesday. Uh-oh. No. What? Not Monday through Saturday, 11 to 6. Oh, they just not open yet. Me and Raya had lunch together at Birria. Oh, it's called Birria El Gordo. But I didn't record because we was eating. See? Yeah, we met for lunch on her lunch break or whatever, because she has a long lunch break. So I'm finna go to the nail shop now. And we're going to see each other at 3:30 to move in. And we're going out tonight to celebrate. Okay, my nails are done. I couldn't record anything because my phone was dead. But the guy who was doing my nails let me charge my phone. But these are my nails. Little shorties. Little Valentine's Day, little pink. My hands are ashy, but that's besides the point because I am a moisturized person, okay? Just wanted to show y'all the nail. Oh my goodness, this hand is even ashier. Okay, whatever.
I was really pleased with you. I did it while I was in my car.
I don't have no furniture in here yet, but it's my room. And that's the bathroom. And that's the closet. And this is me. And this is my window. And it's the floor that I'm gonna be sleeping on till Thursday. That's what happens. I finished my makeup and I had to rest. Because I don't know what I'm wearing. The light in here is really bright. I like that. I enjoy that. What is that? My eyes are watering. Oh. Yeah, I had no idea what I'm finna put on. Yeah, I love this window. I need to get some more lashes too. I've been wearing recycling lashes and they've been like, they're really flat. But as soon as I figure out what I'm finna wear, I'm really still waiting on it, right? She gotta do her hair. I just gotta lay my baby hair down. But I'm ready. Period. Oh, I really came on here to tell y'all that I'm gonna do like a tour. I don't think I'm gonna do a tour until like I get all my stuff in here and I decorate. And we are getting our appliances switched from white appliances to stainless steel. So yeah, it'll definitely be when that comes. And it's gonna, the appliances are gonna be in a couple of days that we get those. So yeah. So I guess just in a couple of days I'll show y'all the crib up. Yeah, we we came to this lounge. It ain't nobody here but us. 1 to 10. Oh, that's a fail. Tragic. How was your drink?
It's good. It's pretty.
Let me taste it. Ooh. That tastes more what I thought like mine was gonna taste like.
It's like this when I read it.
So yeah, we are back in my room, and I just wanted to record this because this is my first candle I'm lighting in my apartment. And this candle, my mom got it for me for Christmas. Thank you, Mommy, for my first candle. There we go.